Hey guys, it's Kev, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to change your ringtone on Android. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below something nice I might like or comment. And yeah, so you need to go to App Store, and well, I believe there's another way for this, but this is one method I like to use. So I like to use my editor, Video Maker Guru. So once you download it, it should say open, and you open it. You're also going to want a screen recorder. I suggest X recorder, the one I'm using right now, as you can see, the orange one. So yeah, you're just going to want to type in this. And there it is. It should be there. Yep, and once you do that, if you found it already, if you know the sound you want, if it's a specific sound that you want, I'll show you this right now. But if it's just a regular one, like a default one, I'll show you that after I'll show you the specific one. So if you got it off TikTok, just save the video, and if you can't, then there's nothing you can do. Or actually, you can just maybe screen record it and get the audio. So once you download Video Maker, you're going to go to new project, and your videos will appear. Anyone. So maybe you want one like the audio, but you don't want to have a video on it. So you could just take a picture that's black, anything, and then you can go to photo and pick the black. So like this. Once you do that, just make it as long as you want, and go to music in the bottom. Music, and then sounds. Not effects, sounds. And if you press extract audio, your videos should appear. And if you remember screen recording it and how it looked, tap on it. So let's say I wanted a specific one. Let's say a music one I posted. Maybe Monkey Spinning Monkeys, that one maybe. So you see, it'll do that. And once you do that, you're going to have to screen record it again. Yes, there's a lot of screen recording required to do this method. So once you screen record all of it, you're going to have to go to your calls, whatever. And then in the top right corner, I'll zoom in right there. There you go. You have to tap the three dots, settings, and then you're gonna have to go to call, alerts, and ringtones. Your settings will be here, everything, and ringtones. Press ringtones. So it should pop up like here. And if it doesn't, maybe right here at the plus sign, and you can look for it here, like this or something like that. So yeah, and once you get the ones that you want specifically, you just equip it like that. You tap on it and equip it, and then show equip. But if you do not want a specific one, you don't have to download just a default one. If you just want a default one, you don't have to download nothing. Just go to your calls, like the same process again. Press the three dots to go to settings, go to call, alerts, and ringtones, and the default ones will be right there. So yeah, hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below something nice and like your comment. And yeah, bye.